This has literally
The only good part is right here, but who can swim in that?
So the pool is super dirty. The pool is super nasty. This has never happened before, like since the few times we've been in it. And so that's the one thing I'm sad to say. It's disgusting. And she doesn't, I put fresh water, emptied all the previous water, put in fresh water, and she's like, Tidra, stop it. You're halfway full. I don't want to get in. It's nasty. I don't want to swim in my dead skin and your dead skins. Both our dead skin. So yeah, this literally has never happened before. Oh my gosh. Alright, so all the stuff is wiped down as best as I can and rinsed off. And so now all I'm going to do is transfer those toys into that bag, and then the ones that can't fit in that bag into this bag. And we done, baby. Alright, pool toys transferred. I am done with this part of it.